releasing their third album, Somebody to Love. Let's visit DJ Nikki on the set of her new video, Magbabalik Ka Pa Ba? And I am here at the set of the music video shoot for my single, Magbabalik Ka Pa Ba, under my album, Somebody to Love. So, Magbabalik Ka Pa Ba, it talks about someone na obviously napag-iwanan at tinatanong niya, ano ba, babalik ka pa ba? Kasi kung hindi ka na babalik, mag-move on na ako. Sabihin mo lang sa akin. Parang ganun yung vibe ng song because I'm sure that this has happened all too many times for many of us na we are kept waiting in vain, hintay tayo ng hintay, tapos wala naman palang plano magbalik ang kung sino mang nagpapaiyak sa atin. Yun yung vibe that this video is taking. It's not sad, it's not angry, it's more annoyed, na parang, diba, babalik ka ba? Kasi kung hindi, move on na ako, okay naman ako, parang gano'n. And I think, we didn't plan this, but I just thought of it, like, right now, like, right this very second, na yung peg kasi ng shoot, Direct Red has used, parang gusto niya parang puro glamour shots. Everything looks like it came out of a magazine. There's also clothing and also makeup. Parang yung point niya, glamour, magandang tignan. Parang naiisip ko lang, di ba, when we're trying to get over an ex, gusto natin maganda tayo. Gusto natin hindi tayo haggard. Gusto natin, ay, blooming siya. Ay, mabuti nga na hiniwalayan na niya yun. Di ba ganun yung gusto natin mangyari? So I think it works in that sense na since glamour yung mga shots na parang, naiiwan mo to, parang ganun. So once again, I hope that you guys vote for this video on Mix. This is called Magbabalik Ka Pa Ba? Para sa mga gustong makaganti sa kanilang mga ex dyan. Magbabalik Ka Pa Ba? This is under my album called Somebody, my third album called Somebody to Love under Police Records, which I hope that you guys get a copy of. Thank you!